Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I'm sure a lot of you have already seen this video already. You don't need another one telling you, their view on it. But I really wanted to do this, and I actually ordered mine from Sephora on the day that it launched, and I paid like £67 for one. I really hope you guys don't want to watch this, but I wanted to do my review on the Fenty Beauty body lavas. I only got that product. I didn't get the body pom-pom thing or the brush. I only got the body lavas because that's what I felt like I was more interested in those ones. So I originally purchased the body lava in brown sugar from Sephora because they didn't have it in Harvey Nichols in the UK, but I ordered that and I was like, I'm gonna be the first one to get it in the UK, but mine arrived yesterday, but somehow I wasn't able to put this video up. So I have them both here, and it's basically a body luminizer. I'm sure you guys already know what this is about, but for those who may not have seen, who have been living on the rock for the past week, it's a body luminizer. There's some videos of Rihanna like obviously applying onto her skin. It looked absolutely amazing. I am for body luminizers, body glows, body oils. I have tons. I have seen a few mixed reviews, but I wanted to give my own take on it. First of all, I am very, very surprised at how big the bottle is. Like, it's huge. It's 90 milliliters, so you get quite a lot in the bottle, and it retails for £46. $59. When you think about it, it seems like it's a lot, but you're getting quite a lot. And judging by the consistency and the texture of it, I felt like a little will go a long way, and I can imagine using this for like months and months. And also bearing in mind that summer is only one season of the year, spring, summer, so really you won't be using it all the time unless you're on holiday or when the sun's out. I doubt you'll be using it in the UK because we don't get sun here. Like, the sun does not exist in this country. So I wouldn't even waste these products in the UK because, like, where's the sun? Where is the sun? It's glass. Knowing me, I would probably drop it at some point. But thankfully I have carpet in my house, so it's all good. It smells like, oh, that smells really nice. It's like vanilla. I'm gonna apply it on one side of my arm. This one, I'm gonna apply Who Needs Clothes. I really like that name, Who Needs Clothes, like literally Who Needs Clothes. It says just the one pump, so I'm gonna apply one pump. Looks like that. And I didn't get the brush because I felt like I have so many brushes. It was $34, I think. I was like, there's no need. So this is, okay, I'm gonna move closer so I can show you. Okay, so, ooh. That looks really pretty. So from what I can tell off the bat, the texture is a little different to my usual body oils. It's kind of like a gel type consistency, and it does deposit a lot of glitter. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if the lighting is really picking it up, but that's like a lot of glitter. It kind of gives me that kind of, well, I say wet look. So it's more of a shine as opposed to a glow, if that makes sense. I don't know why I put that in my armpit, but no, my armpit is glowing. So that's what it looks like. So with this one, I feel like it's like the color of this is like a browny gold. So if you are of my skin tone and darker, I would probably say this would be your the better one to go for. But however, I have seen people use Who Needs Clothes as well, and it's also been quite flattering on them. So I do want to, yeah, that is pretty. I do want to use it too. So we're gonna go on to Who Needs Clothes on this side. One pump. Gonna use a different brush just so you can see the difference. Wow, now this one I noticed, ooh, has a lot more glitter, but it doesn't add any color to my skin, so my skin still looks the same. It just has just a lot more shimmer, a lot more. Why am I putting it in my armpit? I really don't understand. Like, who wants a shiny armpit today? It does say use one pump is enough, but it just depends on what look you're going for. I would probably add a couple more, So honestly, I don't even know which one I like better. Just gonna add some to my collarbone. This one adds a bit more, like, it adds like a golden feel to the skin. And obviously this one is more rose gold but has a lot of shimmer. I'm not sure, honestly, I don't know if the camera is picking up anything, but this has a lot more shimmer to it. A lot, well, more glitter actually, not even shimmer, it's a lot more glitter. So basically I feel like these products give more of a wet shine, like look at it, it's shiny as opposed to a glow. So if you're looking for that shiny wet look, then this is what you would go for. But no, it is so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so it's definitely not a dry oil because it's not drying. So right now I've applied both to my skin. It definitely is sticky. I feel like even with the one pump, it does still feel sticky, so it doesn't really matter how many you apply. I feel like that it's supposed to be sticky and tacky, so if you don't like that, then you might not want to go for this, but it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel tacky on me, you know, so yeah, so I don't know if it's because of the lighting, but it is very shiny. Very shiny. So I guess a little does go a long way. So you can go back, you know, you can go back and blend it out if you don't want it to look so shiny. But honestly, I can't tell which one I like best because they're both kind of the same. If you want a bit more glitter, a bit more, you know, drama, then I would go for Whoo in His Clothes, just because it gives a lot more of the glitter. Brown Sugar just gives more like a golden, it's like a golden shine, basically. I did kind of try it off camera before I even started this. Usually when you apply things like creams, oils, it does feel tacky and then it dries, but this kind of stays tacky all the way through. So it doesn't dry out, basically, it doesn't dry off. So just imagine, like, I don't want to be like attracting mosquitoes and flies and bugs, you know. I see this working on the beach. I see this working for pictures, you know, for shoots, but like not every day, but like say going to an event. I don't know if I'd want to have that wet, almost kind of sweaty look. I would want to glow, and then obviously add the shimmer or the glitter or whatever. Honestly, I don't mind. I actually do not mind the glitter. I don't mind it at all. I just feel like because of the texture of it, that tackiness will be quite annoying. When you do start sweating, especially when you go to a hot country like Nigeria, for instance, or any other country that's really hot, I just imagine myself feeling very clammy, and I would hate that. Also, you won't be able to like roll around in the sand, because if you put this on your legs or on your back or your bum or whatever, I don't see myself rolling around in the sand because it will literally pick up everything. So if you're not about that life, I wouldn't suggest wearing this, you know, on your legs, but like your shoulders, you know, your, what do you call it, décolletage, I don't even know how to say that word. Your shoulders, your chest area, this will work. But for me, I don't know. Obviously a lot of people wanted to try it out in the store. What I would suggest though, when you go to the store, is you will find that these products look a lot more shiny, a lot more shimmery in the store. That's because the lighting is completely different to what it looks like in natural light. So what I would suggest is to try a bit on your hand, go outside if you're able to go outside of the store, and look at what it looks like in natural light, because a lot of the time the sun isn't always booming. So like right now the sun isn't out like that, so you can see what it really looks like. I feel like without the lights and everything, it's difficult to tell. You can't really see the shimmers as much unless you really look at yourself like really closely. You can't really tell. I tend to judge products on how they look out of the sun. If they can look like this without the need of, you know, natural light, natural sun, then it's a plus for me. But from what I found, without the lights, without the sun, you can't really see it. You can't really see the glitter, see that you can just feel, you can see the wetness, the shininess, but you can't see the, you know, the glow, the shimmers, the glitter. So I don't know, honestly it's a really pretty product. Like, it's actually gorgeous, but for what it is, I feel like there's so many other things in the market that are so much cheaper, and don't have that tacky, sticky feel. I won't be able to hug anybody. My hair will get caught in it, which I don't like. So you have to either have your hair up or have your hair to the back, and that can be quite annoying as well. Is it something I would buy again? Probably not, just because of that tacky, sticky feeling. Again, people keep saying the more you apply, the more tacky it is, but even if you apply one pump, it still has that tacky feeling regardless. But do I always want this wet look? Not really. I feel like for me personally, I want to glow and then have a bit of shimmer, you know, extra glam to it, extra, you know, drama. But do I want to look wet? Not so much. I also tried out the fairy bomb in the store, and it was just literally just glitter. Like, if I wanted to do that, I'd just get one of my glitters from my collection and just apply it to my skin. I felt like it wasn't really necessary and wasn't really worth the price. If you want to collect those items, then go ahead and do so, but practicality and how practical it was, I didn't feel like it was necessary. £46 is kind of okay. It is a high-end brand. I think their foundations are half the price of that, so it makes sense. But for what you're getting in terms of the actual product, it is basically, to me, it is basically glitter in a bottle, and I could easily make this up myself. But honestly, looking at it, it does look pretty, I won't lie. You know, I will definitely take some, you know, beach photos, Instagram pics, when the sun finally comes and shows its face. With that being said, I do have quite a few dupes of these products. I feel like I said, this isn't something I would say was revolutionary or was like brand new that we've never seen before. If you've never tried any body shimmers, body oils and that kind of stuff, and you want to try these out because that's just what's being thrown at you right now, then definitely go ahead and get it. But honestly, I would just stick to your illuminizers, your illuminator drops, your highlighters. I don't exactly have clear skin, pop-in skin. So for those of you like me who have like blemishes, who have burnt themselves so many times with their hair colors and have just got scars everywhere, right now I did have to I had a little bit of foundation on my chest and like a matte foundation just to cover those spots. So when it comes to these sort of products, I need to have a base first and then apply it. My favorite will have to be the Melanie Mills, just because I feel like, because I have a lot of blemishes, a lot of scars, acne, burn marks on all my curlers and straighteners. This adds a glow, but it's kind of like body makeup, so it kind of covers the entire area of your skin. Like, it is very, very thick. Look at that. So that will completely, let me just take that down. That will completely cover your skin. So this will give like a nice glow. There's literally little to no shimmer in it. Just a nice, if you're not about that shimmer life, then get something like this. This will look gorgeous. I wear this all year round. So this can work all year round if I'm wearing like a low cut dress, strapless dress. I put it on my back, everywhere. I can also put it on my legs too. So if you have like darker part, uneven skin tone, this definitely evens out your skin perfectly. It's amazing. If you're like me who can't just use the body oils, I need to kind of like add a little bit more like color to my skin, pigment to kind of like even out my skin tone, then the Melanie Mills one is perfect. We have this one. This is the Nux like body shimmer dry oil. This is really, really good. Like, just to show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like, and it has like, it's kind of like a yellowy gold, and then it's got the shimmer. You probably won't be able to see it on camera, but that is absolutely gorgeous. It's exactly the same. It doesn't only just add glow, but it just adds a little bit of like, it's very, very subtle. It's not like big chunks of glitter. It's just nice shimmer to the skin. Obviously when the light catches it, it would obviously shine as well. This is the Barrier in the Glow Tenetian body oil, and this one is kind of like that browny gold again, like the light brown sugar. Just want to show you what that looks like on the skin. So it looks like that, and then it's just applying to the skin. It's just so nice. It's so pretty. Again, you probably won't be able to see the shimmer, but it's so nice. This doesn't have as much shimmer in it, but it just gives a nice glow. So like, I feel like it would add like a bit of a tan if you are of a lighter complexion. And then you have this one. This one, honestly, I feel like you don't really need to have this. It's something that, it's like a luxury to me. This is one of those ones where you went into the store and it looked, oh my god, like it's so much glitter. But when you get home, it's like, oh, it kind of looks like the one from Nux. So if you wanted to go for like a cheaper option to this, I would get the Nuxe one. It comes with a spray. I love the spray, and on it deposits like, oh, so much glitter. It is on the high end side, but you are paying for the name. It doubles up as the fragrance as well, which I'm not the biggest fan of, to be honest. I guess I could just say, you know, I got something from Tom Ford, because I don't own anything from Tom Ford. I'm not really about that life. When it comes to perfumes, I like to just stick to my sweet, fruity smells. So I'm like, okay, you know, I don't mind. You don't really need to spend that much money. Vaseline. If you want to get that wet look without having to spend money, honestly, buy this. This is the Vaseline, it's like a gel oil. I discovered this in Superdrug. If you can see the consistency of it, let me pour some out just to show you. It's literally like a gel. It looks like a gel. And applying this little goes a long way. Your skin is literally moisturized and glowing all day. Apply that, and just dab a little bit of your glitter, highlighter, or your illuminating drops. You have exactly the same effect of this without the stickiness. Even though it's on the gel oily side, it's not as sticky and tacky as the Fenty Beauty one. So that's so cheap. The cheapest you can ever get. I will definitely list where you can get everything from if you are looking, if you've never heard of body shimmers or body oils, where you can get them from. There are so many on the market, and I feel like you can definitely save some coins on the Fenty one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Make sure you check out my previous videos. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and also click on the bell button. There's now like options when you click on the bell button. If you want to see occasional videos of all my videos, please click on all my videos. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.